Did scientists just find Atlantis in the middle of the desert? Astronauts James McDivitt and Edward White circle the Earth 62 times in 4 days, famously achieving the first ever spacewalk by an American. As part of their mission, the astronauts take hundreds of photos that offer an unprecedented view of our planet. But one particular picture attracts attention because it shows a structure that looks like a massive eye sitting in the middle of the Sahara Desert.
The astronauts spotted something that looked like an enormous 30-mile-wide circular shape, which had a center surrounded by concentric rings of stone and sand. And it looked just like a giant eye from all the way up in space. Hence, it came to be known as the Eye of the Sahara.
More than 50 years after the Eye of the Sahara was revealed to the world, it remains a fascinating enigma and a striking sight to behold. Locals call it the Guelb Air Richat, or the Richat structure, and this unique formation has raised more questions than answers.
The Richat structure is located off the coast of northwest Africa in the middle of the Sahara Desert. This formation is considered to be a geological feature that is volcanic in nature. However, there is still scientific mystery to it. For example, what's so wild about this site is its spectacular fashion of concentric circles, which are total anomalies. The Richat structure is truly one of a kind, in that we don't see anything like it anywhere else on Earth.
While the Eye of the Sahara continues to puzzle experts, in recent years, a remarkable new theory about this mysterious structure has been presented. It's believed that this location could have once been the site of a fabled island kingdom that has never been found, the legendary lost city of Atlantis.
The story of Atlantis comes down to us from the Greek philosopher Plato. Plato describes Atlantis as a huge island, and he says that on this island was this incredibly advanced civilization.
If Atlantis was a real thing, if we perhaps discover it someday, which we may, of course, we could learn a lot from that. It would change our knowledge about the past. The story of Atlantis, this Sahara civilization, could be almost an origin story for human civilization, certainly in that part of the world.
Was Atlantis real, or is it just a legend that keeps repeating throughout history? Maybe we've been looking in the wrong places all along. What do you think? A lost civilization, or just a myth? And this makes us think,